Starting over with God's grace and mercy. Many of us are experiencing tough times. It seems like death, disease, and other types of destruction are all around us. When will it end? Amid this chaos, we are forced to move forward. For some, starting over is the only option. Affirmations, inspiration, and encouragement can be provided through the 16 steps as outlined in this book. Bible stories and Bible verses are used to let you know that there is nothing new under the sun. Although starting over is hard to do, you can do it. Starting Over with God's Grace and Mercy by A.S. Brooks.